All right, we are back with a Toyota Tacoma update. All right, what have we done? So maybe not even a month ago. Yeah, maybe a month. Let's say a month. I got these nice Lexland Tacoma TRD embroidered seat covers. I was skeptical, but I wanted to try it out because I had the cloth seats. If you look at the first video, you will see the cloth seats, and I did this one, the driver's side, and I left the one stock. You can see the nice new cover as compared to the stock gray dingy looking cloth cover. So why did I do this? The cloth seats, this truck is 10 years old, believe it or not. It's in good shape. Take care of it, maintenance, haven't totaled it. All in good shape, and I just wanted to make sure the seats did not start ripping on the overuse and all that stuff. So that's why I got this. Plus, we got another dog, a bigger dog, 70-pounder compared to a 20-pounder, and just wanted to have some covers in the truck just so they wouldn't rip up the cloth seats. So having a month in now, the seat covers make the seats obviously feel more firm, a little more firmness, which is nice. I am in Florida, and this is black, and I do feel it a little bit more than the cloth. The heat when you first get in, it absorbs it, so that's the big difference there. That's probably the only noticeable comfort thing. But the seats, I feel I already have the risers right here, front and back. I raise the seat up because I like to look over the hood, and with this thing right here, I hate this scoop thing. It's useless. It doesn't do anything. It's not even a functional piece. It kind of blocks the view over the hood, especially on narrow roads and communities and stuff. I don't like it, but I've seen my neighbor has the same truck, but with the flat hood, and I think I would have preferred that. I'm not going to swap it or anything. It's just lesson learned. I like to see over the hood. I don't know. It's just me. Anyway, covers are holding up good. Like I said, you feel higher up. Even with the risers, you feel a little higher, which I like. Sit taller. This is all forming in nicely. Of course, my daughter's been driving it, so it's a little messy. This center thing is okay. It's holding in there with the dogs. They step on this, so they have not punctured it, so that's pretty good. And the one dog sits over here, and nothing has been punctured. These are perforated. See that? You got the nice little breathable perforations in it. The nice TRD. And of course, the head cushions as well. The head cover cushions. Anyway, there's what they look like after a month in. They are fitting better. This is definitely fitting nice and tighter. As you wear it in, you can see it's actually forming to it pretty well. Let's look at the back. So in the back, I put the extra cover on for the dogs, mainly because these seat covers were so nice. I did not want to have them destroyed. But at the cost, I think they were $230 for everything. They'd had to ship from China because they were out of stock. I get it. It took a month to get here. But you can see them right here. Puffiness there. That's obvious. What are you going to do about that? That's just normal. And as you sit against it, it fills in. But here, let's get rid of this. Oh, those are gloves. I got gloves in the car. That's from, I think when Lexland gave me the covers, they gave me these gloves. They're really small. You have to have small hands. Made in China, so I don't know. Here's the bottom cover dipping around. I could have probably tightened that up better, but I didn't. Obviously, all the seat belts and everything come through. Especially over here, the seat belt comes through the outside, so you have that. But these look sharp. I mean, it looks like a new vehicle when I put these on. Got to clean out the back here. We got the old cover. They gave you that as well for maps and stuff on both sides. And it looks pretty nice in the back as well, so that is good. And it is holding up pretty nice. Again, it's been a month, but it is starting to fit in pretty good to the original seats. The backs look sharp. I take out the center headrest, mainly for visibility in the rearview mirror out the back. So there you go, Lexland. I give it a 2 thumbs up. I think it's worth it based on the price, the quality. I like the perforations, and of course, I mean, it's a TRD Sport 2016. So I like this, and I bought this from the Toyota Tacoma. A Toyota dealership when they were giving 24% off. And that's another pro tip. Go to your search around the nation for Toyota dealership parts pages. They all run off the same engine, the same website, like, the same style, and they just put their name on it, but they can control their sales, their shipping, and all that stuff. So like my Miami Toyota, I forget what it's called, South Tacoma or South Toyota, Lakeland. There's one in New Hampshire that's good. Sometimes the one in Florida, the Miami one, you get 25% off parts. I've learned my lesson. I always go now OEM parts as best as possible for this vehicle, for all my vehicles. It's just not worth messing around. One thing I did go cheap on was the washer pump, and that's because I just wanted to get it right away. But there was one, so that worked out pretty good. The other thing you will pay dearly for is the sway bar links. OEMs are outrageously overpriced compared to other, maybe better quality sway bar links, but you still can get them. They're like $100 a pop, whereas online at Sparks and I forget the other one, the other site, you can get sway bar links for like $20. So that's some things pro and con, but usually like PCV valves, oil filters, spark plugs go with the Denso brand, Toyota Denso. I always definitely try to stick with OEM because you get aftermarket parts, and even covers on your mirrors, they fade. They're just not the same quality. So that's just my lesson there. So here you go, a little update on the TRD Lexland seat covers for Toyota Tacoma 3rd Gen. Go to their site, check them out. I'll have a link below as well. They have other parts for the Tacoma, which I have not looked into yet. But that's all I got for today. Tell me what you think. I like them.